Stop guessing when you work on AI images. If you're fed up with ruining a great picture just to fix one tiny detail, I'm going to show you a secret JSON trick. This gives you total control over every element, while keeping your style 100% consistent. Today we're working with Google's Gemini and its upgraded Nano Banana 2 model to walk you through exactly how it works. Extracting JSON from an image. First, go ahead and upload an image. In the prompt box, type in extract all the information from this image and turn it into structured JSON. Hit send. You'll notice that Gemini converts the entire image into code. Inside that JSON, you'll spot the style, colors, objects, and even the spatial structure of the image. This is basically the picture's DNA. Editing images using JSON. Go ahead and upload the same image again. Then type in modify the image based on the following JSON info. Hit the copy button on the JSON block. Drop it after your prompt. And now you're basically just filling in the blanks. For example, if I want to swap a teal deep green lounge chair to red, I just look up lounge chair in the JSON, find the property that says teal deep green, and flip it to red. Select Create Images, click Submit, and just like that, the color changes instantly. The whole structure stays completely intact. Cloning photography style with JSON. Once you really understand JSON, you can push this to a whole new level. For example, I totally love the style of this portrait photo. All I have to do is upload the image and type in describe the photography techniques in this image in JSON form. Within seconds, it puts together a complete JSON prompt, including lighting, composition, color palette, optics, and focus, and post-processing. Basically, laying out every photography technique found in that image, generating your own character image in a style. Now, here's where it gets super powerful. Upload your own character image, ideally 2 or 3 from different angles, so the AI can more easily recognize your face, and then type in generate a photo of this person based on the following JSON file. Drop in the photography JSON you just made. Head to Tools and pick Create Image. Hit Submit, and right away it rebuilds your photo in that exact same style. Using brush and text tools. On top of using JSON, Gemini also has built-in brush and text tools that let you tweak images with incredible precision. Just upload your image and tap on it. You'll spot the brush and draw an arrow. Then, with the text tool, I'll type in turn the couch red. Next, I'll draw another arrow toward the chair and type in put a cat on the chair. In the top right corner, you'll spot undo and redo buttons, so you can easily adjust or clean up your instructions. Once you're all set, click done and give it a few seconds. The image refreshes automatically. Everything updates exactly as asked. Aspect ratio control. Alright, now let's check out some of the other image editing features in the new Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to bring in a 16:9 image. Then I'll just type in aspect ratio 9:16 and that's it. It right away switches to vertical. Now let's flip it again, this time to a 1:1, and done. We can even take it further. Go ahead and try 21:9, and just like that you can easily adjust the aspect ratio to whatever you need. Scaling and AI outpainting. Now if you're not on the Pro version, don't sweat it. You can still scale your images using the free version, and there's plenty more. We're talking AI outpainting. I'll bring in the image we just made, and type in generate a full body image of this character wearing a red dress and holding a Gucci brand bag. Aspect ratio 9:16. Now it stretches the image into a full body shot. Upscaling image quality. You can also boost the image quality. For example, if your image comes out blurry, just upload it and type in upscale this image to 4K and you're done. The AI automatically sharpens the resolution, making the image cleaner and more detailed without you having to touch anything manually. If you have any other great tips, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll keep dropping more practical AI tricks like this.